So I work for GTO. I'm the principal architect for Asia. The Human Rights Commission came to us with a proposal to turn their Human Rights at Your Fingertips pocketbook into an iOS mobile app. Given my background in creating RED, I was asked if I could help out with the Human Rights Commission and their app. We visited the office on a number of occasions, met with the Rights Commission, discussed how we would build the app, and discussed what sort of requirements they'd need. All the treaties are easily accessible. You can search by right, you can search by keywords. It's actually very rewarding to work on an app that obviously promotes the rule of law and is very helpful to the Human Rights Commission. I was quite happy to use my volunteer days to help them out. The book's actually very important and very popular to the Human Rights Commission, and hopefully the application will be just as popular.
I'm Jenny Williams. I'm the Head of Editorial Process Management and I've been here for 20 years. I've been working very closely with the team in Fiji, the Attorney General's Department, for the past 12 months, starting with them to build their index on their legislation, which hadn't been consolidated for over 30 years. By putting all of this consolidation together, we've actually seen the passion and excitement grow through the team to be able to present this to their country and be able to give everybody access to their laws. And it's helped drive my engagement and my passion for what I've done. It's taken me to a whole new level of what I do and how, as an organisation, LexisNexis can help drive that rule of law across the world.
I'm Adele McAtee. I'm a subject matter expert in the EdOps team. I was called into the Laws of Fiji at the beginning of March this year to help ensure that the content was put into our systems quickly and accurately to make the project happen in a timely manner. Well, naturally, I was thrilled to be asked to be involved in something so hugely significant, especially something as important as introducing, developing or forwarding the rule of law in Fiji. But this has been by far the most exciting thing that I've been involved in. I'm very grateful to LexisNexis for the opportunity.
My name is Rita Youssef. I'm a content developer / commercial content strategist here at LexisNexis. So since late last year we've been working with the Human Rights Commission to update the online Federal Discrimination Law guide, which is on their website. Hadn't been updated since 2011, so required quite a bit of work to get it up to 2016. It involved working through each of the chapters, getting a group together, allocating a chapter to each person or each pair to update the legislation and case law, as well as the rest of the text in the publication. It feels like a great privilege to be able to work on a project like this. I guess it takes us out of our day-to-day work, being able to see the pressure that the lawyers at the Human Rights Commission are under. We're definitely able to further the rule of law by getting this kind of guide up to date.
My name's Myfanwy, Wallwork. I've been here for 15 years in a whole variety of roles. My current role is Executive Director Regulatory Compliance, but the really exciting part of my job is that I'm also the Executive Sponsor for Rule of Law in Australia. But really excitingly, I'm currently working with both the Judicial Department and the Attorney General's Department in Fiji to create access to primary materials there. On one of my visits through the airport, you get asked that common question, what is your business in Fiji? And I said, well, I'm here working with the Attorney General's Department to publish the Laws of Fiji. And he said, can I shake your hand? And that really just made me feel that we were really doing something worthwhile that people really cared about. Hopefully we're nearly there after 18 months and actually publishing the 20 volumes and 30,000 pages. The rule of law, as you know, is the basis and the mission of LexisNexis, and we all know how important primary materials are and access to those materials are to the rule of law. I feel that everything we do every day does contribute to the rule of law. Sometimes it is in our more business as usual commercial aspects, but a judge said to me a couple of years ago, she said, you know, without LexisNexis, and possibly some other publishers, the entire legal system and profession would have ground to a halt, because what we do every day really does make access to materials easier.